Sure. Below is a comprehensive tutorial that covers how to obtain free certificates in Power BI, Excel, and Python, along with code examples where applicable. Part 1 Free Certificates Overview. Many platforms offer free courses that culminate in certificates upon completion. Here are some popular platforms that provide free courses in Power BI, Excel, and Python. 1. Coursera. Two, Ed. 3. Udacity. Four, Kaggle. 5. Microsoft Learn. 6. Sololearn. Part 2 Learning Resources and Certificates plus plus the live is something called pile zoo so pile Kaggle, kaggle, coil, kaggle, oh, luo. Luo, who some zoo, core, zoo, cold, loose, some cold, the luzo, or zoo, say you could this observe, who some this of this of who, or Louis was a or was a whale, or was a some zan, lupi, come this of sam, this on the little come this side, or zero sam, waving seven. Observe Father Papa, people to examine for the decided to suffer, to self, Carla, Cairo, Camping, deserving, Carla, Carla, Leo, Caio, Carla, Ham, Cairo, Carpa, Cargo, Carla, Cairo, Carla, you could, Carl. Kaya to do to Sarah moving to do Kaya to oil you Kaya Part 3. How to obtain certificates. 1. Use course. Select any of the above courses from the mentioned platforms. Enroll, create an account if necessary, and enroll in the course. Complete the course, follow the course materials, complete quizzes and assignments. Receive your certificate. Upon successful completion, you will receive a certificate that you can download and share. Part 4. Additional tips. Join community forums. Engage with community forums like Stack Overflow, Reddit, or platform-specific forums to ask questions and share knowledge. Practice regularly. Regular practice is essential to mastering these technologies. Use free resources, sample datasets, and projects. Build a portfolio. Create a GitHub repository or a personal website to showcase your projects and certificates. Conclusion. By utilizing these resources and following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can gain valuable skills in Power BI, Scala, Excel, and Python, and earn certificates for free. Happy learning!